Okay, I've customized my phone again, this time keeping Airbus 320 in my mind. That's the home screen. At the top, in the center, the logo of Airbus that turns every 7 seconds. And this is how it looks. Two most basic use of phone, calling and texting. Right thrust lever says call. Left one says text, that's SMS. Two fuel control switches modified to say FBK and WSP, Facebook and WhatsApp. That's Facebook and WhatsApp respectively. And here are the icons similar to the switches on the overhead panel of Airbus. That's my scientific calculator. Store opens Play Store. And that's Maps. A small button on the bottom right, it says Chrome. On the other side, that's YouTube. And that's Amazon. I've been using it a lot in this lockdown. That's my personal Yahoo Mail. And Blue Mail for my official ID. And two buttons that looks like the autopilot button of Airbus. One says Camera. The other one says Gallery. Here on the top, there's a small widget that gives basic information like time, date, location, temperature, forecast. And one small folder on the right for Telegram, windy and flight radar. Folder on the left for other things like Google Mail, photos, Paytm, calendar, clock, etc. And the last part, which is also my favorite, that the whole thing is 3D. Thanks again for watching.